Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today's class will take place at 67 Riverside Drive, New York City. This is the Riverdale. Now, a little history. Architect George Frederick Pelham. Heard of him? Of course you have, because he was well known among New Yorkers as a popular architect of many of the city's famed apartment buildings, including the Riverdale. George designed the distinctive limestone facade and oversized apartments in the months prior to the issuances of its building permits in 1905. This boutique 9-story building is a masterpiece of Beaux-Arts architecture. There are only 4 apartments per floor. Some have been combined, leaving just 28 apartments over 9 stories. The homes feature expansive foyers and other old-world elegant apartment details, including high-beam ceilings, radiant heated floors, fireplace mantel and mirrors, moldings, skim-coated walls, wide plank solid oak flooring, and Juliet balconies with direct views of Riverside Park and the Hudson River, providing some of the best sunset views of all Manhattan. On its 100th anniversary in 2007, the Riverdale remained home to a wide variety of diverse individuals engaged in finance, medicine, law, education, the arts, and social causes. And they too have become part of the building's incredible history and recognize its importance as a historic structure rich with social history. Perhaps one day you will be a part of this incredible story too. Class dismissed.